So I just stumbled upon this Kubernetes resource audit tool called wozz that promises to find overprovisioned resources in your cluster.
Wait, really? That sounds super useful. Overprovisioning can waste so much money. How does it work?
It runs a script that analyzes your pod resource configs and shows how much you're actually wasting. We're talking 30–60% overprovisioning.
Wow, that's a significant amount. Do they provide any specifics on what you might be wasting money on?
Absolutely, it breaks down costs by category like memory and CPU, and even identifies which pods are the biggest offenders.
I love that. It's like getting a clear invoice for wasted resources. What kind of numbers are we looking at?
For example, one output showed an annual waste of nearly $14,880, with specific pods wasting thousands.
That's eye-opening. I mean, it's like finding out you're paying for a gym membership you never use.
Exactly, plus it does this without needing extra agents or complex setups, just a simple script.
But doesn't that assume you have the right permissions to run those kubectl commands?
Good point, you do need kubectl configured with cluster access. It's crucial for accurate data.
And what if you don't have the metrics server running? Does it still work?
It falls back to comparing requests versus limits if the metrics aren't available, but that's less accurate.
Right, that makes sense. But still, even running on requests gives some insight into potential waste.
Totally, and have you noticed how it can also track resource usage over time? That's pretty cool.
Oh, that's a nice touch. So you can see trends and adjust proactively. Do they offer a dashboard for that?
Yes, you can push results to a dashboard for a visual breakdown, historical trends, and even get alerts.
Alerts sound super handy. It's like having a personal trainer for your cluster's resources.
Haha, exactly, it keeps you accountable for your resource usage, but is there a catch?
Well, it runs locally, which is great for privacy. But what if someone needs to share this info?
They can choose to upload data if they want to use the dashboard features, but it's an option.
Got it, and since it's open source, you could inspect the code before running it, which is reassuring.
Definitely, it's all about transparency, but some might hesitate with that curl and bash command.
True, they could download and inspect the script first. It's a good practice.
So the pricing methodology uses conservative cloud averages. Any surprises there?
Not really, but it's worth noting that actual costs can vary widely based on different factors.
Exactly, it's a good reminder that cloud pricing is a bit of a minefield.
Totally. And it makes me think about how many teams might be running inefficiently without realizing it.
Right? They might think they're optimizing when they're actually just wasting money.
That could lead to some serious budget mismanagement. It's crucial to audit regularly.
For sure, and wozz seems like a solid tool for that. It might help many teams save big.
I'm curious, though, what happens if teams don't act on these audits?
Good question, it's like ignoring warning signs on your car. Eventually, it could lead to a breakdown.
Exactly. Ignoring the data could mean even greater waste in the future.
Speaking of data, it's intriguing how the tool emphasizes memory and CPU specifically.
Right, those are often the biggest culprits. But what about storage inefficiencies?
It does touch on unbound volumes, which can also waste resources, albeit to a lesser extent.
It's all interconnected, isn't it? Reducing waste in one area can influence others.
Exactly, it's like a domino effect. Fix one thing and it can lead to improvements elsewhere.
So it sounds like WozzHQ is not just about saving costs, but also about efficiency overall.
Right, it's a holistic approach. Teams can optimize their entire infrastructure.
I wonder how many teams are actually aware of this kind of tool. It could make a huge difference.
I'd bet many are still in the dark. It might take a few more success stories to change that.
Definitely. But once they see the savings, I think word will spread quickly.
And it brings us back to the value of continuous auditing. It's not a one-time thing.
Absolutely. Regular check-ins can lead to sustained efficiency and cost savings.
And isn't it fascinating how a simple audit can trigger such a domino effect of improvements?
For sure, it's like the butterfly effect. Small changes can lead to massive savings.
So if you had to sum it up, wozz is a game changer in Kubernetes resource management.
I'd say so. It's a must-have for teams looking to optimize their cloud expenses and efficiency.